guys, we are not messing around. Got off of work and then we're straight to work on it. We're getting ready to knock the hood out right now. Y'all see my little brother over there getting it in all ready. He beat me here and he's already jumping on it, getting it knocked out. So it's just gonna be a few clips on us sanding the hood, and then I'll do more like as far as like the repairs. Y'all see more of that. I already sanded down where the dents were at. We went real deep all the way to the metal. This hood is probably gonna go mostly all the way to bare metal. So y'all stay tuned for that. Fender came out excellent. Well, not excellent, but it's like 85% good. So alright y'all, we'll see y'all right after this intro. If you're new to the channel, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And hit that post notification bell, that way you don't miss any videos.
She said, hey mom, day job, I don't feel it. I need race car, top down to match my ceiling. I don't have none.
Guys, they got their music on, but we got everybody working right now. I'll show y'all a little B-roll. Alright guys, I got the whole door taken apart, everything off of it, everything off on the inside. I got some little clips of that. There's one panel right there. My brother was just kicking butt. He got most of the hood knocked out. We're gonna block sand this tomorrow, and that's it guys. Really, we just been in grind mode. We just trying to work. It's hard to record when we trying to play music and just get in that mode where we're just working. So as y'all can see, really, we just got the doors left, door jams, and a little touching up here and there. Man, we'll be ready to paint this thing before it gets cold.
What they talking about? I don't know.
Quick update for you guys before it gets dark on me. I got this trim off because everybody leaves that on there and then they paint. See, it's been like 3 other colors and that's been on there. Well, everybody does it on cars, but like I showed y'all, I'm trying to take everything off this car. This door is stripped down. Everything's off except the lock. I'm gonna take that off when I get ready to spray. I don't know where I left off at, but all I got left is this hole right here. I already put edge primer on the bare metal spots. I'm gonna cut this out and try to weld right here. If not, we'll fiberglass it in, but we're gonna make sure that the rust is gone. And y'all drop down in the comments, let me know if y'all like it where I just show y'all everything, or do y'all like it like this where I'm just showing like clips of the whole process. Because if I did that, I mean, it'd be like an 1.5-hour video or something like that. But I got that off, and then let me show y'all in the front. This was a pain in the butt, but I got this whole front piece off, and then also the chrome that went down here, and then the grill. So we are ready. I got a few more bare metal spots on the hood to hit, and then I'm gonna sand the rest of this purple, yellow, and paint off those edges and fix that hole. And then I'll turn y'all on when I'm spraying. The Escalade just pulled up, but yeah, I'll turn y'all on when I get ready to paint. It's fixing to get dark on us guys, but I got this whole edge cleaned up all the way to the other side, and then I'm working on the back edge right there, and then I got all this edge cleaned up. I want that paint to stick good and everywhere. Most people just scuff it like right here, but I want to take it down. So yep, it's taking a while, long process. I'm getting ready to hit that right there, and once, like I said, once we get ready, oh bam, y'all ain't seen that in a while. But like I said, once we get ready to spray the hood, I'll turn y'all back on. All right, you can try it.
That's all right here.
Look.
The shiny.
No, man, look, the shiny part. Brother, here, get on the other side. Wait. Look, you right-handed or yeah, you gotta scoot back a little bit. You right-handed or left-handed?
Right.
Okay, look, just kind of scoot back, see where it's going. Push it down. Whoa, that's all right. You gotta like just barely push it. You just trying to hit that bare metal spot. Brother, show them how to do it. No, you can't. No.
Look at some rain.
Look. Like this.
That sounds good. Do I go back and forth?
Now we gotta run. We gotta run now. It's all good. It's all good. Alright guys, we still out here working. I wasn't even gonna turn y'all on. Brother, you wanna get here?
I get down. I know how to do it.
Here.
Right there?
From here to here. Don't go no more.
Boy,
you got it? Alright. We'll let Dad go over it. Make it even. Alright. Now we need to hit this whole center. The whole center part. Get down, boy. You in the light. They can't see. Is that paint? Okay. Guys, this is just edge primer. It's spitting. Did I cover it? I can't really tell.
Can I do this part?
Can I do that part? I know how to do it now. Let me see this now.
Yeah, I painted my lens and everything.
Can I do this part?
Wait.
Yeah,
What's
you
that?
can do that one. Oh Lord.
Bro, we gotta run.
No, I don't.
Alright, no, you can't be that close.
Oh, so right here?
No, look. No. Oh my goodness. No, look.
All the way back there.
No.
Oh.
You
But I
just
did.
feathering it. Alright, that's good,
I can't
guys.
do it
No more.
That's good. Let me cut. I gotta cover up this windshield, and then we gotta hit this edge right here, and then guys, we'll be ready to paint tomorrow. Well, we're gonna lay primer all the way down.
5 hours later.
Another day on the hood, guys. I just laid in the body filler on the dents that I found. So I'm gonna let that dry. I'm not gonna bore y'all with me sanding that, but I'm gonna let that dry and we'll get that knocked out. We're gonna try to paint today. If not, it'll be early tomorrow. But let's see how this comes out. Well, it's raining on us. I got them sanded down pretty good, but y'all see the rain drops. So, yep, we're gonna have to finish it tomorrow. I'm pretty much there though, guys. I got everything pretty smooth. I'm gonna do a little bit more work right here. I'll just fill a couple of spots, but I'm pretty much ready to go, guys. So we'll get a first coat of primer on it. Well, the rain did not want to let up for a couple of days, so there's a few spots I'm gonna have to touch up again. I can't show you because it's dark over there, but I was like, well, what I can do tonight, let's go ahead and cut this last spot out and weld it in. I'm gonna do all that off camera, just giving y'all a little update. Not too happy, guys. I've been out here for about 3 hours. Had to resand the whole hood because of the rain and the way the acid reacted to some of the edge primer. So everything was bubbled up and it was just crazy. It knocked the rust off, but it did mess up all the edge primer. So as y'all can see, everything is resanded and it sucks. It set me back about 2 days. I'm thinking about going ahead and welding this in tonight and filling that with fiberglass, and I'm gonna try to get this thing sprayed. If not, I'm gonna spray the hood in the morning, guys. I know it's been a minute, it's been a while, but now y'all see how much goes into trying to build these cars and stuff like that, and then you know why they charge so much. It's not easy. We got our back piece cut. Golly, I'm so tired. We got our back piece painted, so we're getting ready to install it right here, and we're gonna get this piece going. Go ahead and get this piece welded in, guys. Super tired, but I gotta get this hood done because we got a cold front coming in. It's gonna be snow and all kinds of stuff. I gotta get this hood sealed in, so we're gonna try to at least get this part done. And I'm gonna go ahead and I already fired up the welder, so this is dry. We're gonna go ahead and take off the tape and go ahead and weld it in. Our piece is in there, a little more gap than I want, but guys, we gotta get this knocked out. So I'm gonna go ahead and weld it in. Got her filled in. That was a super hard curve to do, but look at that, guys. She's filled in. So I'm gonna clean it off and I'm gonna body fill it, and then we're gonna paint the whole hood tomorrow. Woo! Golly, it was a long one last night, guys. But as y'all can see, I did get up this morning. I got me some better edge primer so that rust don't come back just in case it rains. But I should have this whole thing sealed and covered today. And it was a black edge primer, which that's okay. We're gonna do 2 coats of direct to metal primer. It's like an epoxy direct to metal. You can use it for sealer, you can use it for different things. So we're gonna be putting a good primer on here. And yeah, we're just waiting on the kids to get out of school so I can have somebody to record for me, and we're gonna go ahead and lay that primer down. Man, guys, I forgot about that little hole on that side over there, but it's all good. We're gonna go ahead and get this covered, and then I'll fiberglass over that. Let's get going. I'm gonna do the right side first. I know I'm kind of in the dark, but I got the camera set up on the tripod because it's gonna be hard to mess with the air line going back and forth, so I'll do that side first. Let me turn up my air a little bit. Alright guys, that's gonna wrap it up for this video. It was a little stripey because it's a little bit hotter today, guys, but I did find some pinholes that we need to get filled in, and then also I gotta fix that little spot on the other side so y'all can look over it real quick. I found a couple little, just some little pinholes, so now I can see everything that I need to see. I'm gonna show y'all right here. That's that spot that we repaired, so I gotta fix that anyways. And then y'all already know the routine. We'll see y'all in the next video.
Peace.